Nay?
Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hi, morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good morning, President.
Wala po siyang audio kanina, kaya hindi ko alam kung may problema siya sa computer.
Hear me?
Hello, Nay. Good morning.
Hello. How are you guys?
Meron ako
Yes.
yung
What year were you in the mission?
Ako po,
Yeah.
Yeah.
2004 hanggang 2006.
What month did you come?
June yata?
June. Wala na kami nun.
Kakauwi lang natin, Nay.
We left June.
Okay. Alright.
We left June of 2004.
Okay. Tagal na yun. Nandito na ako sa Monterey, California, nag-aaral ng Tagalog.
Talaga? Galing.
Oo, sa bilang sundalo.
Oh, galing.
Um,
Galing naman, galing. So, si President, kanina ko pa sinasabi na alas 7 sa kanya. Nasa California kasi si President. So, dapat, di ba yung 10 o'clock dyan sa Pilipinas?
Yeah.
Is 7 in California.
Okay.
Pa siya insist na 6 o'clock. So sabi ko, sige, bahala. Mag-join ka ng 6 o'clock. Okay na.
Magsa 6 p.m. pa lang.
Okay na. Gusto niya mag-join ng 6. Kasi nga naman, may edad na, matanda na sila. So Sister Brimhall doesn't really...
Hi, President.
I have no sound.
Yeah.
Oh.
You have.
Where do I get the sound?
There should be a screen that shows that allow you to join, use your computer audio to join. Do you see it on your screen?
Wala po siyang naririnig ngayon.
Let me call him.
Pwedeng
Hey.
i-type sa chat box.
I'll call him.
Chat mo na lang, Nay. Alas 6 gabi nga din. Alas 10.
Hi, Joseph.
Hi, President. So on your screen, you should have an option to choose use computer audio to join.
Okay, where's computer audio? Where's that?
All right. Give me a moment. Let me just check. So what do you see on your screen right now?
I see Dr. Canale and myself, and Brother Burton, and Joseph
All right.
Santos, and Barong, and Bangladesh.
Oh, okay. All right. So at the bottom,
Yeah.
at the bottom left corner of your screen, there's a mic symbol. Okay, click it.
On now. Can you hear me on the mic?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Okay, but I can't hear any of you, so how do I?
Okay. You can hear us. You can't hear us? Can you hear us?
I can see you, but I can't hear anything.
All right.
So there's got to be something on my computer where
So on the mute button, there's like a drop down menu.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, I'm hearing you now on the. See, speak, keep talking.
Hello, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now. All right, I'll hang up. I'll hang up.
Awesome.
Bye. Okay. You're dealing with an old man here, so.
I feel so underdressed with you guys.
Oh, I'm lying in bed.
So warm in here.
Okay. It's 76 here, so I'm fine.
We were, right now it's 81 degrees here.
Oh, that's
It's
nice.
about 8:45 in the evening.
So a lot of the Filipinos are freezing.
I'm kind of used to the weather now.
I know, but it used to kill me that they get down in the 70s and everybody be freezing, you know?
Yep. I was supposed to go home to the Philippines last April. I already bought my ticket, and then everything happened, and so I wasn't able to go there. But during my preparation, I was talking to my family and asking them, "Hey, do you guys have air conditioning in your house? Because I can't sleep. I can't sleep now with being so hot."
Brimhall, where are you? You're in California?
Right.
Burton.
It's about 8 miles in from Malibu, halfway between LA and Santa Barbara.
Okay. So I'm here at Monterey right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, actually studying to go.
Central Coast. Beautiful.
Yeah,
It's a tough area to have to be in.
I know.
Ilan?
Pretty rough.